The South African Health Products Regulator has approved South Africa's first COVID-19 antigen tests, and they will be manufactured in the mother city. This as COVID-19 infections continue soaring. We're close to 20,000 cases in the past day alone. Cape Town company Medical Diagnostech is set to save us money, hopefully, with reliable and affordable tests. For more on that, let's speak to the founder of the company, Ashley Ace, who joins us now via Zoom. Ashley, thanks for your time. We appreciate it. Well done on getting this right, first off. But tell me, how much cheaper is it going to be?
Currently, our costing is 40 to 50% cheaper than the cheapest product in the market. Of course, with economy of scale, we can bring it down.
Oh, that's great. So I know normally, the test costs between 350 and 450 Rand. So that's going to be good for South Africans who are using the antigen tests. Let's talk about the accuracy of your specific antigen tests. What's that looking like?
Yeah, so the specificity, which is the number of false positives you can get on a test, we don't have any. According to the NRL report, we've got 100% specificity rate. Our sensitivity is at 90%. Sensitivity requirements for SAHPRA approval is 85%, so we're of course above that threshold. In terms of pricing, I just wanted to let you know we're actually going at between 30 and 50 Rand a test, so it's not anything close to PCR costing.
Oh my word, dude, well done. How are you able to make this so cheap?
It's because of our scientists we have in-house. We've got a brilliant team of scientists. We're collaborating with local companies to do this. And the methodology and the intellectual property we've developed, we'll be able to produce these kits for as low as $2.
So tell me something. You obviously have to sell it to places like Dis-Chem, Clicks, etc., where healthcare professionals are going to have to actually do the test themselves. You can sell it for 30 or 40 Rand, but it really does depend what those companies actually charge the public, right?
Exactly, yes. And that is the reason why we're advocating the home kit. Our home test kit is basically totally different to the professional devices we're supplying currently. It's an all-in-one device, and it comes with an app on your phone where you don't actually have to interpret results yourself, and we reduce the amount of subjectivity based on the app itself. It will give you the result and also data mine at the same time.
But your agreement with SAHPRA, the approval you got, is for it to be done by healthcare professionals, am I correct?
That's correct, yes. SAHPRA is still going to release the guidelines for home testing, and we're just waiting on that.
Yeah. So just tell me about the manufacturing process as well, and how long before we actually see your tests on the shelves?
We are currently manufacturing the first commercial batches. It's going out. We're gearing up now, scaling up. We've got a capacity of 20 million test kits per annum. And we have ISO 13485, which is a medical device standard required, the quality standard. Everything is manufactured from start to finish in Cape Town. And the whole process involves laboratory work, then processing in the factory, then packaging.
Yeah, and of course, you're not just targeting South Africa. This is an antigen test that's likely to make headway across the continent. And are you even looking at going abroad as well, outside of Africa?
Definitely, for sure. We're looking at a turnkey model. Of course, Africa needs us, and we import too many products from first world countries. We do have the skill set here. We do have the capacities here. And hence, I want to make this technology available to other African countries as well, where we can have a turnkey model so that we can have localization in all African countries. And by that, we're obviously saving hundreds of millions.
Yeah. All right. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate the insight you gave us. Founder of Medical Diagnostek, Ashley Ace. Of course, SAHPRA has approved for them to actually manufacture antigen tests right here in South Africa, and it's going to be incredibly cheap, because if you go for a rapid antigen test right now in South Africa, you're paying between 350 and 450 Rand. But we're now being told by Ashley that they are going to sell it for between 30 and 40 Rands. The determination on the final price obviously lies with stores that are going to have healthcare professionals do the tests on you. It'll be interesting to see what they do eventually decide to charge us.